Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project Canteen Ordering System, and I have developed this project in PHP and MySQL. The version for the PHP I'm using is PHP version 7 and MySQL version is 5.6. For front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like for form validations, creating sliders, integration of the date calendar plugins. So I have used jQuery plugins, right? So these all technologies I have used for developing this project Canteen Ordering System, right? So let's start with the functionality, go through that what we have implemented, what the modules are there inside this project. So the project title is Canteen Ordering System and it's a PHP and MySQL web-based mini DBMS project. Mini because it has only customer login. There is no admin login inside this project. Also DBMS because we are performing database operations inside this project. That's why it's a DBMS project. So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see that some of the products are coming. So these products are totally coming from the database. It's a totally dynamic and all products are coming from the database. This is about us page and this is a static page. I'm not rendering anything here from the database. This is all foods. This all foods are coming from the database. This is all categories, means what type of category you want. If you want to non-veg, then all the non-veg items will become, right? So if you want veg, then all the veg items will become, right? So this is a category. This is all types, means all type: Chinese, North Indian, South Indian, Mughlai or snacks. So this is all types of the foods which you can filter out, right? So it's coming according to the filter. This is a login. From here you will be able to log in and you will be able to order. Without login you will not be able to order any of the foods. This is a register. From here you will be able to register and you can order the product, right? This is a contact us. This is a static contact us page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I'm not sending a type of email and SMS. Now I'm going to order some of the products, some of the foods. So this is a Sai Paneer. You can see this is add to cart. I have added it into the cart, but I told you earlier, without login you will not be able to order the items. Now I have login, but let me show you the customer flow first. So once customer login, then he will get his own menu. So you can see these menus are coming. If you log in, so if customer login, then you can see these menus are coming, right? Here customer can see his orders, his account and change password. Once you click on the my orders, you can search your orders from here. Even you can see the details of your order. You can see this is your all of the order history which you have ordered in past. This is my account, from where you will be able to see your account details and change password, from where you will be able to update your account password. Now I am going to place a single order. So this is all foods. I am going to this one, onion pakora, add to cart. This item I have added into the cart, and then again this one I have added into the cart. So two items. Now I am going to change to 4, right? You can see the cost is calculating automatically. If I am entering the 2 here, then you can see costs are calculating automatically. If you want to delete, you can delete it from here also. So once you click on the place order, it will ask your card details, right? Means if you ordered something, then you need to pay. Here you need to enter the card number, dummy card number. There is no need of entering correct credit card because it's a dummy page. It's not a real page. Once you click on the make payment, then you will get this page, right? So here you can see you have ordered dear Amit Kumar. This is a confirmation of your order and has been of your order number 12 has been successfully placed on this date, right? You can see your order in your order history page. You can see you have already made more than 10 orders, so there is a page number 2. You can check. This is a 26th March order. If you see the details, then you can click on the view details. You will be able to see, right? So one more thing, so you can search your orders from here also, right? Like March order. So MARC is March. You can see all of the March orders coming, right? Even you can sort the order according to the cost. You can see it's sorting according to the cost, right? So these all functionalities is available in this table, right? So I have already explained you all of the things. Once you click on the logout, your session will be expired. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project Canteen ordering system. And as I told you earlier, this is a PHP and MySQL web-based mini DBMS project. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.